Hello my fellow chef knives enthusiasts. In this video I'm going to show you the Nigara Anmon 270mm Gyuto Kiritsuke made of SG2 stainless steel, made by Go Yoshizawa-san, the 8th generation blacksmith of the House of Nigara. So let's go, Yoshizawa! By the way, several vendors selling Nigara knives and articles about Nigara refer to him as Tsuyoshi Yoshizawa. Other vendors and articles refer to him as Go Yoshizawa. Perhaps one of them is his nickname, or I don't know what's going on here. One thing is for sure, Tsuyoshi Yoshizawa or Go Yoshizawa, he makes amazing looking and performing knives. So let's see what's inside the box. This is almost as sexy as peeling off the lingerie of your wife, girlfriend or mistress. Damascus. Go Yoshizawa-san probably stays awake all night, dreaming up techniques to fold Damascus steel in new and unusual patterns. I mean, he's a freaking Damascus wizard. What kind of sorcery is this? Damn, this Anmon Damascus. The blade is fitted on a octagonal ebony wood handle with white buffalo horn ferrule, which is right up my alley, because I just love the traditional look. It's nothing too fancy. It's exactly the type of handle that I like on a sick blade like this. The knife is pretty thin, with a nice subtle convex grind on it. It's nicely thin behind the edge, but definitely not really a laser or anything. So not too fragile, what I think is a good thing with a blade of this size. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the blade geometry overall. The rounded off choil and spine, the beautiful spine profile, that aggressive K-tip. This knife has flawless fit and finish from tip to bottom. Not to mention the mesmerizing beauty of that Anmon Damascus pattern. It's so gorgeous, I can't get enough of it. Now let's get this baby out for a test drive. It has this nice versatile profile, quite a large flat spot at the back, a gentle curved belly allowing for some rocking action, and a aggressive sharp K-tip. There are not many tasks in the kitchen that a skilled cook can't do with a knife like this. What I really like on this knife is the profile of the spine. It's not completely straight from neck to the tip. At first I thought it not being completely straight might have been unintentional. But then I saw it on all the Nigara Anmon Gyuto Kiritsuke knives I could find online. So Go Yoshizawa-san definitely did this on purpose. To me it kind of resembles the profile of a Hakata, but much more subtle than a Hakata profile. The Hakata Santoku is a traditional general-purpose Japanese chef's knife from the Hakata-ku region of Japan. And as you can see, that profile has quite a curve, but look how the spine goes straight from the neck and then curves down slightly to ever so gently curve back up again towards the K-tip. It's a very subtle spine profile change, but it gives the rather big blade a bit of elegance in my opinion. There might be a little downside, since the spine has this gentle slope down and up before it aggressively dips down for the Kiritsuke style tip. It does make pushing or scraping ingredients across the cutting board a little less effective. But that's just me nitpicking, I guess. Cucumbers are such a submissive ingredient to most knives. I mean, they just lay there begging to be cut, chopped and sliced. And this knife is definitely giving it to these cucumbers. It's doing them well. It's defiling them basically. Slicing through a hard and dense sweet potato using no pressure whatsoever? No problem. Not bad for such a pretty knife. I mean, looks can be deceiving. As I said, the Anmon knives, at least the ones that I own, next to being breathtakingly beautiful, they are amazing performing knives as well. Rocking a bunch of scallion with this blade is actually fun, and I'm not much of a rocker by a long shot. In my experience, push cutting and chopping is just way faster than rocking. It probably has mostly to do with my mastery of all the cutting techniques. I guess I just never really took the effort to master the rocking technique, but you know, if push cutting works for me, then I don't need any other technique, now do I? The knife was listed as a 265 or I think even 270 millimeter knife. But in reality the edge length of this blade is 255 millimeter. It is actually exactly the same length as my Masamoto KS that was listed as a 240 millimeters. Anyway, it is long enough to make chopping big enough sized cabbages like these a freaking breeze. All in all, I must say I really like this knife. The Anmon Damascus never fails to amaze me. It has incredible fit and finish, a versatile profile and a very nice geometry and grind for comfortable cutting sessions and good performance. The SG2 stainless steel makes it an easy to take care of knife, and the knife is probably a conversation starter whenever you decide to pull it out in front of your unexpected date. And it just looks pretty damn good amongst my other knives, and I feel like it totally belongs there. By the way, this is a lineup of knives you don't see very often, aka my knife lineup is better than yours. Yeah, I said it. But what does it matter? No one of us are here, it is all dust. Thank you for watching, it means a lot to me.